Hello friends, today in this video we will study about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons is a compound made up of hydrogen and carbon only. The most important natural source of hydrocarbons is petroleum, that is crude oil. There are two types of hydrocarbons, that is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. We will study about these two types of hydrocarbons in details. First, saturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms are connected by only single bond is called saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are also called alkanes. There are no double or triple bonds in an alkane. There is only single bond. These are the examples of saturated hydrocarbons, that is methane, CH4, ethane, C2H6, propane, C3H8 and many more. The general formula of saturated hydrocarbons or alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of the alkane. Just like here in methane, there is one carbon atom. So the formula will be C1 and H2 into 1 plus 2, that means CH4. Methane, it has one carbon atoms and the molecular formula is CH4. Ethane, it has two carbon atoms and the molecular formula is C2H6. Propane, there is three carbon atoms and the molecular formula is C3H8. And butane, there is four carbon atoms and the molecular formula is C4H10. So the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Pentane, there is 5 carbon atoms and the molecular formula is C5H12. Let's check out the formula of pentane. C5H2 into 5 plus 2, that is C5H12. Next, unsaturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by a double bond or triple bond is called an unsaturated hydrocarbon. A double bond is formed by the sharing of two pairs of electrons between the two carbon atoms, whereas a triple bond is formed by the sharing of three electron pairs between two carbon atoms. The unsaturated hydrocarbons are obtained mostly from petroleum by a process called cracking. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are of two types: those containing carbon-carbon double bonds, that is alkane, double bond will be formed like this, and those containing carbon-carbon triple bonds, that is alkynes. The first one of the unsaturated hydrocarbons is alkenes. An unsaturated hydrocarbon in which the two carbon atoms are connected by a double bond is called an alkene. The simplest alkene have two carbon atoms in its molecule. The general formula of an alkene is CnH2n, where N is the number of carbon atoms in its one molecule. Here are the few examples. Ethene, there are 2 carbon atoms and the molecular formula is C2H4. Propene, 3 carbon atoms and it is C3H6. Butane, 4 carbon atoms, C4H8. The common name of ethene is ethylene. Next, alkynes. It is also one of the unsaturated hydrocarbons. An unsaturated hydrocarbon in which the 2 carbon atoms are connected by a triple bond is called an alkyne. The simplest alkyne have 2 carbon atoms in its molecule. The general form of an alkyne is CnH2n-2, where N is the number of carbon atoms in its one molecule. Here are the few examples. Ethine, 2 carbon atoms and the formula is C2H2. Like this, C2H2 into 2 minus 2, that is C2H2. Propyne, 3 carbon atoms, C3H4. Butyne, 4 carbon atoms, C4H6. And the common name of ethine is acetylene.